forget that we are selfish. We will become unselfish mga kaigsunan. Maka-explain anak atong naka-experience na 5 to 10% o more than 10% ng offerings mga kaigsunan. Nalimot sila pagkadalo or selfish. And Testimonies Volume 9 mga kaigsunan, page 53. He has entrusted to men and women an abundance of means for the carrying forward of his plan of mercy and benevolence. He bids his stewards of means invest their money in the work of feeding the hungry, clothing the naked, and preaching the gospel to the poor. Perfection of character cannot possibly be attained without self-sacrifice. So kapag ang shortage sa offerings mga kaigsunan, kung na few 100,000 ang atong church, sa atong offering ng daan, makahakot sa atong mga kasingan, mga community nga walay pagkaon, tambal, and doon na may mga turda sa atong church. Dili na maingon ang atong elder nga short sa atong funds for layman. Walay shortage sa mga kaigsunan kung insakto lang atong offering. In Testimonies Volume 4 mga kaigsunan, 477, God's requirements comes first. We are not doing His will if we consecrate to Him what is left of our income after our imaginary wants have been supplied. Before any part of our earnings is consumed, we should take out and present to Him that portion which He claims. In the old dispensation, an offering of gratitude was kept continually burning upon the altar, thus showing man's endless obligation to God. If we have prosperity in our secular business, it is because God blesses us. So ang sistema nato sa atong hospital pro ng kaigsunan, so wala pa buhatag sa midman. Doon na may